This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Hey, listen, smash the like button if you have a big smile on your face. If you like when I do that, always comment below if you want me to do something cool. Listen, I got the video of the century for you. I'm going to show you in this video real quickly. Listen up, big head. How to make money on Clickbank using a bot. Okay, it's a free bot that allows you to pull data for free and basically make up to $400 or $1,000 per day. And listen, let me show you proof. You know, because I hate those videos that you have to wait to the very end for them to show you all the BS, right? Don't you hate that? Well, I'm not going to do that. Check it out. Here's my Clickbank account right here. Let me log in, smash the like button because I'm transparent here. I want to show you proof that this is actually taking place. I'm going to log into my account. Look here, big head. Look, hey, look, you're going to make money. You will make money right now with Clickbank, okay? Check it out. Look. See here? That's December 16th, 484. Hey, by the way, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, okay? Look, check it out. All seriousness, this is $400 on the 16th. December 15th, $500. December 14th, $200. And what I'm doing, I'm using a bot, okay? It's a free bot that allows you to do something very automatically. It's not a lot of work, not a lot of skill. If you just listen, I'm going to make your life so juicy that you're going to love me. You're going to want to hug me. You're going to like, Wesley, I love you so much for this video here, okay? So listen, these are the steps. And I'm not going to wait to the end of the video to show you the bot, okay? I'm just going to give it to you right now. Is that cool? I think you appreciate that. Smash the like button if you do. Look, Apify.com. Go there right now. Apify.com. Many people don't know about this site. This site allows you to scrap data because understand, this is how I'm making money. Because basically, I am promoting a product that I did not create, right? I'm not spending any money at all. It takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to do. What I'm going to do and what you're going to do with me is promote another person's product. They spent their time and effort to build it, to do all the marketing, and you're going to make money with Clickbank right now in the next 24 hours by using this bot called Apify to scrape data. Now, this is step one. You got to find an offer. This is how you find an offer on Clickbank that works. Now, if you guys don't know, I've made over $30 million with Clickbank. Clickbank was the first company that I got started with years ago when I was broke and busted, laying on the air mattress. True story. You can go through my channel and you can listen to my horrible story. But listen, just like me, your story is about to change right now. Does that make sense? If you follow, if you just humble yourself a little bit, have a positive mindset, you will make money in this video. Before Christmas, before in 2022, it will be the best year of your life. Listen, go to Marketplace here. Okay? Very simple. Where it says find products, hit the magnifying glass here. And listen, if I'm moving too fast, just say in the comments below, Wesley, can you slow down? Please. I like you, Wesley. You're a great guy. I love your energy, but can you slow down? Just smash the like button or just say, Wesley, slow down in the comments here. And I'll do that. All right, so if you go here, these are very popular products on Clickbank. Most people never make money with Clickbank because they promote products that are not making money. So this is what you look at for free. Look, you see there where it says Gravity 850? That means 850 people in the past 12 weeks on Clickbank are making money. Brand new people, moms, dads, 9 to 5, teachers, janitors, office secretaries, waiters, all these people that are new, they're making money with these products here, okay? So what you want to focus on is Gravity and average conversion, because average conversion tells you, well, how much money you're going to make and deposit in your bank account when you start to send traffic, which I'm going to show you using the bot for free, okay? So listen, say if we want to choose, let's say weight loss is always good. So let's scroll down, Java Burn. It's a weight loss offer here, and they're going to pay you $115 basically dollars to do this. Now, let me give you a picture. If you sell 3 of these per day, that's $9,000 per month. Smash the like button if you can use that type of money. Hell, even $5,000 per month would change somebody's life, right? Can I get an amen? So listen, it doesn't take a lot of work or effort. You just have to follow along, right? Feel good about the process and take massive action here, okay? So all you want to do is this. You hit the promote button and you want to put your account nickname here. Your nickname maybe is Big Head. I'm not sure, right? Right? Or maybe your nickname is, I don't know, money, money, money. You know, whatever your account nickname, when you sign up for Clickbank, make sure you use it. Now listen, for everybody that signs up for Clickbank that said, Wesley, my country's not listed. Wesley, I can't make money. Listen, stop that BS. Find somebody in another country that create an account for you and you log into that account. Listen, don't ever let nothing stop you from achieving your dreams. Ram that in the back of your mind as you listen to every word in this video. Never let nobody, no thing, no experience stop you from achieving your dream, okay? So, we're going to say mine is, we'll see if it was Big Head. And I click on generate hub links right here. That's the link that you need. So you want to copy that, put that on a notepad somewhere, because we got to go back later because the bot is going to do most of the work for you. And I'm going to show you undeniable proof right here, okay? Now listen, so now we got that. Now we need what is called a email swipe here, okay? Now stay with me here. You're going to click on the button that says javaburn.com affiliates here, okay? You want to put in your ID right here. That's your Clickbank ID. Let's say yours is Big Head. Tracking ID, type in email. That's important here. I agree. Generate hop link. It's going to do it for you here, okay? And as you can see here, now, one thing about these folks here, they didn't give me an email to use, okay? So I can do two things. I can back up and I can choose a different offer, or I can use the same offer but find another offer like the flat belly tonic here, right? And just take an email swipe. An email swipe is basically an email that you receive to get you to spend money, okay? You get emails from Amazon, Walmart, Saks, whatever, right? When you get these emails in your email box, you ever clicked on it and somebody trying to get you to buy something? Well, guess what? The tables have turned, baby, because you're going to have this power, and I'm going to show you how to scrape the data, right? It's really cool. It's legal. It's white hat. But it's something that I'm doing right now to generate $1,400 a day on autopilot here. Look, okay? So we're going to click on that. We're going to click on where it says top converting email swipes here. And all you want to do, honestly, is just find the swipe. Here's headlines here that you can utilize for the email swipe here, okay? And all you want to do is copy, see right here? Click to get the email swipes. They're going to get a doc. This is the email that you're going to send to the people, to the list I'm going to give you to show you how to get the list. And every freaking sale that is made, you're going to make $100 here, okay? And your goal is just to make about $300 a day or $400 bucks. $400 a day is just $12,000 a month, okay? So you copy this. You with me? Okay, great. So you got that copy. Now listen, this is how you use this software here. Sign up for free. Click on sign up for free, okay? Sign up for free. All right, so I'm going to sign up. Just follow me. Listen, you can do this. Don't give up. You can do this, okay? Click on Wesley.Virgin. That's mine. And bam, 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 I'm in. Now, what Apify does, because you may say, well, Wesley, where do I send this email to? How am I going to find targeted people that want to lose weight, that are overweight, they're kind of big, right? Got that poochy pooch, right? Maybe you got that poochy pooch as well. You need to buy it as well for yourself. But listen, this is what you do. You have that screen open here. We're going to go to Instagram. This is what you do. Instagram, you type in weight loss, okay? Smash the like button if you're with me, okay? If you're enjoying this video, if you're liking this information, show me some love here, because I'm going to do more videos like this that we use automated software to do all this work, okay? Weight loss transformations here. As you can see, this Instagram group right here, or this Instagram page, has 500,000 followers. So what we're going to do, we're going to scrape that data. See, that's the trick. So what you do is you type in weight loss transformations, and you can do this to many groups. You're going to copy and paste that. You're going to go back to your bot here, because here's the bot that does it for you, okay? See? Instagram scraper here. because what it does is it scrapes all the data. Okay, and I'm gonna show you how it looks once you scrape it. So you scroll down here and it says add the Instagram URLs you want to scrape. So what it does, it scrapes all the emails so you can use it for yourself. It's kind of tricky, right? So you type it in right here. That's added in there. Click add new. Good. You're good to go, right? So once you have that in, you need to fill out this information as well. And then when you're done, boom, you go to run and you click that button right here, resurrect. And what it does, let me show you what it looks like. It looks like this. You're going to get a bunch of emails just like this, and names maybe. You may have to categorize it a little bit. And basically, you're going to use that, and you're going to send that email that I just showed you, the copy right here, right, to all those people. Now listen, I forgot to share this with you. The affiliate link, okay, the affiliate link that you have, that you generated right here, make sure that you link this with on this word here. You see this right here? You have to make sure you link this. If you don't link that properly, okay, many people don't do it right, you make $0. You'll send an email out, you make $0. Then listen, I have a link below if you want me to do it for you and help you out through the process, because I know I talked a lot. But if you need my help, I do have a link below. I'll do it for you, and I do it quickly here using the software here. But listen, you can do this. Make sure you link this. Now listen, you may say, well, Wesley, how do you send the email to all the list of people that's going to be downloaded from the Apify website here? Listen, two ways. You can use your own email address, right? You can just go to your email, like my email is, let me go to my Gmail right here, okay? And what I can do is compose new email, okay? See here? Smash the like button if you like this, right? This is, I'm showing you love here. And what you do is, like, if I go here and I want this person's email right here, I just copy that, right? Done deal. And I can paste it. And I can paste all the emails here, okay? And then what I do is I go back here to the swipe. Remember the swipe? Okay? I'm going to go back to the swipe. Here it is right here. Okay? Stay with me here. And all I do is copy and paste. Now remember, you have to make sure you link it properly, because if you don't link this properly, it's not going to work. I do have a link below. You can click it, grab it, and I have a software that does it. All this, what I just showed you, automatically, okay? But I'll talk about this in a second. But it's very easy to do. Just stay with me here. You go here, copy and paste. It's there, right? Now, what do we need to do here? You remember, you need to make sure that you link this, okay? If you're using Google, make sure that you click on here like so, right? Click there. You need to link that, because when you send that email to that list that you're going to scrape, well, you need to make sure if they click, you get paid. That's how you get paid. When they click buy, you get paid over and over again, okay? Very simple here. So we want to go back, okay? Because we want to grab our hop link here, okay? Are you with me? Stay with me. Come on now. Copy that, okay? So I have the link, and I link it. It's just that simple, honestly. You want to link the image as well, and you want to link these words below as well. Okay, and the subject line, of course, the great thing about these products, they give you the subject line as well. So we go back here. Here's the subject line, big stomach. Listen, if you got a small stomach, smash the like button. Yeah, you probably got a big stomach. Hey, and listen, hey, it's all good. It's good. You Gucci. Work out. Do some setups, baby. There you go. So, look, that's what you do. Big stomach, and then boom, boom, and just send it. That's number one. Another way is just to go to aweber.com. This is called an ESP, email service provider. And listen, I know I'm throwing a lot at you right now, but I'm going to help you out and show you a better way to do this. You hit create message. Now, this is going to cost. It's cost a little money to get started here, okay? But listen, I think it's like $10 a month, $12. But you open up an email here, and what you do is import that list that you're going to scrape from Apify, and you put it in Aweber, and you just send it to all these people. And then, bada boom, bada bing, you just start making money like Wesley Virgin is doing right here every single day. See that? $1,000. Like last week, I made $4,000. This week's almost $1,000. And the great thing about it, I'm making it on autopilot, and you can too. Now listen, I know that was a lot of information. You might say, Wesley, my head is fried right now. So, listen, I use something from Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos. They're the richest people on the planet. It's something that's called software automation. What if there's a way that all what I just showed you, you can do it from a click of a button here, okay? Now, in the description below, there's a link. It says, do it for me, Wes. I'm gonna do it for you using the software here. Imagine the software doing all this for you so you don't make any mistakes, so you're guaranteed to make money. Now, I'm going to be very transparent with you. I help people on YouTube all the time. They pay me about $1,000 to $5,000 per month for them to do a lot of this stuff for them because I got a ton of videos, and most of you just don't have the patience to go through the process, and I get it. And people just pay me a ton of money to do it for them. So I help people make $5,000 to $10,000 to $20,000 a month because I just do it for you on my team. But what I'm going to do very special for you, for 10 people that's watching this video right now that need a change in their life, they need to quit their job, they just can't stand their life because they're financially struggling. And I get it because I used to sleep on an air mattress here. In that link below, once you click it, once you go to the next page, I'm going to give you the software that will do everything I just showed you here using Clickbank, using the bot. It's a software that does it all for you. You plug in the information. It takes about 60 seconds to do, and it's guaranteed to make you $300 to $400 every single day on autopilot. I'm going to do it for $17, but listen, only for the first 10 people. Hey, listen, I don't know why you're here. I mean, I love you. I appreciate you because you watch my videos. You sub to the channel. I'm as transparent as humanly possible. That is a new account here. As you can see, it's a brand new account. I did it. I used the bot. I'm using the software myself because I truly believe in 2022 it's going to be about software automation. So listen, you can either get it or you can wait. You can take massive action, or you can be like most people and just say, well, I can't do this and nothing ever works for me. Listen, change the mindset, you change your life. Change what you do, as in take action with that link below. Grab it right now for 17 bucks. Let me do it for you using the software here. It's the easiest way. It's just so simple. It's only $17. And if you're number 11, I'm sorry, you got to pay $1,000 a month like everybody else. But I want to do something special for some man, some woman right now that's watching this video that need a change, that is sick and tired of being broke, sick and tired of not living that dream. And that internet dream is real, but you got to believe in yourself and you got to take massive action. Click the link, get your software. It's only 17 bucks. Small investment for you to make hundreds and hundreds of $1,000s this year in 2022 on Clickbank. This is Wesley billion dollar virgin. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go.